So what's up mga homies? So may bago tayong project ngayon. Pero itong bagong project natin na to, galing kasa, 2 days old pa lang. Dinala na kagad dito para lagyan ng exhaust. So ang ginawa namin dito sa exhaust na to, gumagana yung active mode niya, yung sports mode niya, pati yung quiet mode niya, yung silent mode niya. So nilagyan namin siya ng X-pipe. So ito yung exhaust niya. So ito yung ginawa namin, X-pipe. So pag tinignan yung X-pipe, dapat yan symmetrical, pantay yan. So pantay na yung X-pipe, yan. Ito yung X-pipe. So dapat pantay. Yung mga sensors dapat nakakabit. Yan. So ito yung X-pipe. Bakit nga lagyan ng X-pipe? Para nagra-rumble siya, para tumunog yung mga V6, yung mga V8 na parang rumble yung tunog. So ito siya. So ito yung orientation ng pipe niya, naka X-pipe siya. Tapos nakatanggal na rin yung catalytic converter, tinanggal natin. Yan. So naka-straight na siya. So ngayon medyo maingay ito, tapos pwede rin siyang tahimik. So ngayon pakinggan na natin kung ano may tunog niya.
Turn the lights out, let's take the night out. Come bring it right now. Keep on warming up that body like it's hot out. From the south, that's a knock out. That's a knock out. Turn the lights out, let's take the night out. Come bring it right now. Keep on warming up that body like it's hot out. From the south, that's a knock out. That's a knock out. Working out, see you got it. Working out, see you got it, yeah. Body, I can't deny it. Baby, I came to try it, yeah. You can sing a deep song all night, yeah. Tell me what you wishing on all night, yeah. Keep it on beat, yeah. We f***ing up sheets, yeah. Keep swinging on me, yeah. This shit getting deep, yeah. And you know I'm a freak, yeah. And you know I'm a freak, yeah. Come and put it on me, yeah. First turn the lights out. Let's take the night out. Come bring it right now. Keep on warming up that body like it's hot out. From the south, that's a knock out. That's a knock out.
So what's up mga homies? So eto na ulit. So ipapakita na natin yung air intake na ginawa natin. So ito yung air intake na ginawa namin dito sa 5.0 na Mustang na bagong bago. So ngayon pakinggan natin kung may tunog.
Turn the lights out. Let's take the night out. Come bring it right now. Keep on.
Okay. So sir, ano pong pangalan po nila sir?
Jay po, Jay.
Sir Jay. Sir Jay, saan galing tong ano? Kailan pa nakuha yung kotse to?
Itong isang araw lang, sir, bali kakukuha lang talaga.
Nakakuha lang, tapos dinala mo na kagad dito sa Notorious. Tiga saan po kayo sir?
Sa Gentry po.
Gentry Cavite.
Yes, sir.
So saan niyo po narinig tong Notorious Motorsports?
Sa mga vlogger, sir, actually matagal ko na kayong pinapanood.
Ah, okay sir.
Yes,
So kumusta naman po yung pinagawa ng headers, intake, exhaust?
Solid, grabe.
Solid. Na-enjoy naman po yung ginawa natin.
Sobrang enjoy.
Sige po. So thank you po sir.
That